Hi, in the last videos we have shown you how to find the geographical position of your ancestral village and how to determine to which parish it belonged. Today, we would like to start a short series of videos that will help you learn where the documents of these parishes are stored. As always, all the sources that I talk about today will be linked in the description of the video. So, institutions that store vital records from the parishes can be divided into four categories in Poland. First, state archives, which are public institutions operated by public employees. Second, church archives that are controlled by local dioceses and managed by priests. Third, civil registry offices, local offices that hold documents which are still under personal data protection laws. And fourth, parish offices, as in some cases the records are still at the parishes and have not been transferred to any of the archives. So, each of these institutions have different rules by which they operate and differ in how easy it is to access their records. Not every one of them has their inventory accessible online, therefore sometimes you are in the dark and cannot be sure if a specific institution holds the records you look for. Additionally, the history of vital records in Poland differs by regions due to the fact that when laws about civil registrations were introduced, the country was partitioned between three different states. We'll talk more about the specifics of each region in the following videos. Today, we'll focus on websites and databases that are common for all three of the partitions. If you are experienced in researching your Polish genealogy, then you most likely know these sites already. Each of these sources will most likely point you in the same direction, but also most of them have useful unique features that differ them from the others. So let's say that you have managed to learn that the village of your grandfather belonged to the Roman Catholic parish in Baranowo. So the first source that I will show you is a website named parafiegenealogy.pl. This is a subpage of a much larger site, Genealogy.pl, operated by the Polish Genealogical Society. So here we type the name of the parish, and as you can see we have three results. So how to recognize which of these parishes is the one that interests us. And first of all, here we have the year in which the parish was established. And as we are most likely interested in 19th century or early 20th century, we can exclude them as they were established in late 20th century. Also here, you have its administrative affiliation. Here you have the province, województwo or voivodeship to which it belongs, and here you have the county. So we click the second result as this is the one that interests us. And also here you have the name of the parish. And if you Google the name of the parish and the name of the village, you will be able to find its geographical position on Google Maps. And you can add on this map the village of your ancestors, and if these two are close to each other, then you are 100% sure that this is the correct parish. Now, here we have the information about where the records of this parish are stored. Here you have information about indexes of these records that are available on the website Geneteka, which I will talk about in the later part of the video. And here we have the information about the archives that store the records. So this is fully in Polish, but you can quite easily Google Translate what these words mean. So here you have information that the birth records, marriage records, and death records for these years are stored in the Archdiocesan Archive in Płock. Also here you have additional information that books for these years, UMZ, birth records, marriage records, and death records, are stored in AP in Półtusk. AP is a shortcut for Archiwum Państwowe, which means state archives. So thanks to this website, we have already narrowed down two archives that store the vital records from Baranowo. Now, this is it for today, but if you would like to see longer and more detailed videos, then we have an extended version of this film available on our website. You will find the information on how to access it in the description below. In the meantime, good luck with your research.